Welcome to Compariffy. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two incredible kitchen workhorses, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp and the Instant Pot Pro Crisp. In this video, you'll discover all you need to know about these versatile multifunctional appliances. And remember, the links to access the best prices are in the video description. Similarities: 11-in-1 functionality. They serve as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sous vide device, air fryer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, and dehydrator. Dual lid design. Each comes with two innovative removable lids that transform your cooking experience. Switch from pressure cooking to air frying in a flash. Customizable cooking. With 11 one-touch programs and a temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, these models are designed for quick, hassle-free meals. Safety and efficiency. They feature 10+ safety features including overheat protection and a safe locking lid. Plus, they're up to 70% faster and more energy efficient than traditional cooking methods. Family-sized capacity. Both models boast an 8-quart stainless steel inner pot with a tri-ply bottom, perfect for family meals, meal prep, or hosting a potluck. Remember, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the description. Differences. Upgraded design. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp touts pro-level upgrades, including advanced heat protection for the inner pot and lids. This feature promises an even more robust and durable cooking experience. Branding and presentation. The Duo Crisp positions itself as a fast, versatile option for everyday cooking, whereas the Pro Crisp is marketed as the one-pot wonder for those seeking a touch of professional-grade cooking at home. Again, don't forget that the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the description. In the final analysis, both the Instant Pot Duo Crisp and the Instant Pot Pro Crisp offer nearly identical functionalities and benefits. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile appliance that delivers every day, the Duo Crisp is an excellent choice. However, if you're drawn to the promise of enhanced durability and the professional-grade upgrades, the Pro Crisp might just edge out the competition for your kitchen. Either way, you're getting top-tier performance designed to revolutionize your cooking. And as always, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the description. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next video.